dreamers, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make flowers using yarn wool. So things we need: newspaper, sewing thread, some ekle, colored yarn wools, pair of scissors and a green tape. So we will move on to the steps. So now I am going to fold the newspaper into the desired size of flower I need. So this is the flower we are going to make today. So I am going to fold the paper to this side. This is the size of my flower will be. I am going to take 2 ekle. This is the thinnest part and this is the thickest part. So I am using the thickest part for this. You are going to place it on the newspaper and you are going to roll it. Using a sewing thread, you are going to tighten the newspaper. I'm going to put a knot. Today I am taking yellow color yarn. What I am going to do is I am going to leave this much length. I am going to tie a knot at this point, leaving about 1 centimeter, and you are going to tie it. So here, so I have tied a knot. I'm just going to take this yarn down and into this ekle, in between these two. I'm going up and again into these two. Here you can see into these two. In between and then into this. So you are going to keep on doing rotating like this, and you want to cover the newspaper. So when I finish this I will be back. So you can see I have covered it. To end this, what I am going to do is I'm just going to tighten it. I'm going to tie the tight. So you can see I have finished this. So now I'm going to rotate in the both ekle so that it will get tightened. I'm going to go in between. Come up, the same. I'm going to put a knot. I'm going to come down and put a knot to secure it more tighter. I'm not going to put the knot in the middle, taking it down. And you can cut off the part, but you should keep a bit. You can't cover it with the green tape. So there you go. If you can see any newspaper, you can see some newspapers. So I'm just pressing it in. And you're going to cover this. So here you go. And I'm going to tape it with the green tape. So like this. So there you go. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a like and comment down below. And don't forget to press that bell button. And bye guys. See y'all on the next video. Bye dreamers.